So friends, welcome to Sky Crypto channel. In this video, I will share you another newly launched trending meme coin here. This meme coin is right now trending, and within just last 7 days, more than 700% pump here. And recently, many central exchanges has also listed this coin, friends. And on MEX exchange, this meme coin right now listed on its futures also, and many other central exchanges also list this coin. So I will share you all further details here. This coin is legit. I can see it's listing on tier 1 central exchanges soon or not. So videos be very special, very important. You have to just for the complete video here. Friends, Space Snap 0.038 dollars can price bump by 32% here, because right now again entire crypto market is pumping. So this meme coin and many other meme coins are again pumping here. Right now we have again many other meme coins are also trading here. So this is good for all the meme coins lover. You can see, friends, last 7 days 192% pump, but I will show you later that is 700% pump. Current market cap $38.7 million here. So market cap is also good, friend. $39.8 million trading volume in last 24 hours. This is good. 1 billion coin supply, all in circulation. This is Solana ecosystem meme coin, because since long time we did not see any Solana ecosystem meme coin in trending. But right now this meme coin is trending on everywhere. You can see, friends, Solana ecosystem meme coin, and right now this meme coin is amazing performance. 7 hours ago, his all-time high price it was $0.048. We are right now 19.8% down than his all-time high, and 755% up than his all-time low. They were 8 days ago. So within just 8 days of its launching, coin is already 755% pump here. So this is good. You can see, friends, these are the Solana dexes where this coin is listed, but you can see, friends, Gate.io, Albank, Wix Exchange has listed, MEXE has also listed this coin, BingX, so you can see, friends, BingX, XD.com, Bitbart. So many central exchanges has already listed this coin. MEXE is still not update here. But friends, MEXE has also listed this coin. So if you not join Gate.io and MEXE exchange yet, I will provide you both central exchanges links in description. You can join both central exchanges and you can buy all newly launched meme coins there before listing on any other central exchange. Friends, you can check out all further details on Solana Scan. That these are the holders of this coin. These are top 10 holders of this coin. And this is good that there's no any value share. You can see number one wallet has only 2.1% supply. So it's normal. Okay, and you can see Radium, that is Solana Dex, is 1.8% of supply. And Meme Economy Solana wallet has also 1.6% of supply. So mostly supply is less than 2% in all other wallets. So this is good. There's no any value issue looking here. You can see, friends, these are some other wallets. They are holding this coin, and some central exchanges also holding this coin. So friends, now my review, honest review about this meme coin is that no doubt this is very new meme coin, but right now this coin has massive hype, and almost I think 8 to 9 cent like exchanges has already list this coin within just 8 days of its launching. So no doubt this coin has potential to do something good, and maybe we can see in long term this meme coin around 7 to 800 million dollars market, because right now it's looking good, but website has still no much update for this meme coin. Okay, I also check out website and social communities, so both are looking good, but no more information on their website. And friends, because right now already 8 central exchanges have listed this coin at $38 million market. So no doubt this is very good, and market cap is no doubt amazing. But in definitely short term we can see is jump also, but after that dump, if this token will survive the dump, then definitely this coin can go upward here, and we can see this coin to maybe 7 to 800 million dollars market, or maybe more. At that time maybe it's possible that we can see its listing on major central exchanges.